Hello and welcome to Car Talk. I am Shantanil Nag, your host, and today we are with a very interesting and highly anticipated product. At the 2020 Auto Expo, we saw this product as a concept model, and today, only after a few months, this car is ready to be launched. Which is this car, and what car is this? What changes it has from the concept model to the production version? Stay with us for the next few minutes, and we will tell you all about it. Well, we are here with the all-new Kia Sonet. It will get launched on 7th of August. That's when you will get to see this video. And as you can see, the production version of this model has not changed much from the concept version that we saw in the 2020 Auto Expo. Looking at the car from the front, you can see that you get all new LED headlamps. These are got heartbeat shaped DRLs, which you can also see on the Seltos. And since this is the top-end GT line version, you can see red accents all over the car, all over the grille. So you can see red accents on the grille itself, and also the red accents here. So the skid plate and the grille with the red accents look very good. It has a good impression on the road, and I think when the car will go on the road and the public will see it, it will definitely turn a few heads. Now let's see how the car looks from the side profile. So as you can see from the side, the Kia Sonet looks very impressive. Since this is a top-end GT line model, you get a lot of red accents on the side as well. So as you can see, all the wheels, they have got red accent on the above the Kia logo, and there is a red accent on the running floorboard itself. If you come to the front brake, you can see the red calipers, which certainly adds a sporty touch. Apart from that, if you notice, the car has got a dual tone shade. So the lower end is the golden one, and the upper end, this part is gloss black. I think this combination will be only available with the top end versions. Apart from that, you get the chrome handlebars right here and the blacked out ORVMs. The total package of the Kia Sonet from the side, it looks very impressive. So now that you know how the Kia Sonet looks from the side, let's go to the rear of the car and find out how it looks from the behind. The first thing that you notice here are the tail lamps. Just like the headlamps, the heartbeat shaped DRLs, you get the heartbeat shaped LEDs right here too. They look very premium and very attractive. Also, you get crystal LED lamps, which are very shiny, and they definitely look very premium on the car. You also get a light bar right in middle of it. It connects both the tail lamps, but it's not functional. It just reflects all the lights that it gets from the other car's headlamps. Now coming down, you get to see the bumper. It is special in a way because it's finished in gloss black. It's not something that you get to see in many other cars in the segment. Apart from that, the GT line, the red accents continue to be in the rear also. So you get to see the whole red accent right here. And just below that, you get a very muscular looking skid plate, which is also finished in black color. Now that you know how the Kia Sonet looks from the rear, the side and the front, let's go inside the car and check out what it has to offer and what it will offer in the segment. Now that we are inside the all-new Kia Sonet, we find the cabin to be very impressive. So we are in the top-end GT line version, and we can see the all blacked out dashboard and all blacked out theme of the car, which again is very sporty. On the seats, the front two seats here are ventilated, so you don't get this feature with any other car in the segment. Apart from that, you get a massive 10.25 inches AVN, which is always connected to UVO system, which offers more than 57 features. Apart from that, there are 30 more features in this Kia Sonet, which the Kia claims that are not available with any other car in the segment. That also includes a diesel automatic. Yes, we will talk about that later, but first find out what other features the Kia Sonet has to offer. So apart from the features that I have already told you, you also get a wireless charger right here. You get a 4.2 inch screen, which shows various information that you require on your drive. And the AC controls are very nicely laid out here, so it's very clear to read out, and you can just control it while driving without taking your eyes off the road. Apart from that, the comfort of the seats are very nice. You fit in here very well, and the position of the steering wheel is also nice, so you can change that so it can be tilted, and The seats are manual here as all other cars in the segment. So now that we have seen the front of the Kia Sonet, let's find out what the rear feels like.
At the rear, the Kia Sonet feels comfortable and very spacious. The front seat, the driver's seat, is adjusted according to my height and I am 5'9". Yet there is a lot of knee room. The seats are very comfortable and supportive, while the large windows ensure that you are not claustrophobic during the long journeys. You also get rear AC vents, and just above that, the display for Kia's integrated air purifier is there. You also get charging ports right here underneath it, and there is a small space to keep your things. The seats are wide enough to fit 3 people, and you also get an armrest with cup holders. Kia will offer 3 engine options with the all-new Sonet. The one we have here with us is a 1-liter turbocharged petrol unit, which will come with a 7-speed DCT automatic and an intelligent manual transmission. It is a new kind of transmission without clutch pedal setup and with a manual gear lever. Also, you will get a regular manual transmission as well. You will also get the choice of 1.2-liter naturally aspirated petrol engine that will only come with a manual transmission option. The diesel variants will get powered by a 1.5-liter engine that will come with a segment first torque converter automatic transmission apart from the manual transmission as well. Yes, Mahindra XUV 300 and the Nexon do offer automatic options with the diesel engines, but they are only AMT and not full-fledged automatic just like the Kia Sonet.
Will the all-new Sonet make Kia's position stronger in the market? Well, just like the first two products, we think the all-new Sonet will definitely be a game changer and will further make Kia higher on the sales chart. To know all about the Kia Sonet, what it has to offer, what each variant is priced at, do check our website thecartalk.com and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos in the future. Thank you.